Hello everybody and welcome back to another Fantasy Wax Melts new releases video. We're going to be having new releases today, Friday, August 6th at 3 p.m. Central Time. Our shop will go live and off of vacation, and I'm super excited because the kind of theme for this week's release is fall pie stand. So we're doing all pie scents, not necessarily all fall, but I wanted to call it fall because I'm ready to start getting into the fall scents. So we will have 7 new scents for you guys in 2 different size options, which is something new we have not done before. So when you click on the listing for the scent that you want, you'll have the option to choose between a souffle, which is this size here, which is quite large. I believe it's 3 ounces. Don't quote me, I'll have the exact amount in the listing. But we will choose between a souffle or our 1.5 ounce, I don't think it's 3 ounce. It might be, our 1.5 ounce shot cups. So we do have a very limited amount of the souffles. We have a limited amount of the shot cups. We don't have as many listed as we normally do, but we have more than the souffles, if that makes any sense. But I just really wanted to get the people that wanted the souffles, and then, you know, of course, anybody else that just wants to try the scent for the first time can do a shot cup, if that makes sense. So we have 7 new melts. I'm very excited. I'm going to go in a backwards order of how I released them or sneaked them on Instagram. So if you do remember and you don't follow our Fantasy Wax Instagram, you totally need to. A couple of months ago, I think, I posted on an Instagram story asking what everyone's favorite pies were because I was fully prepared to do this collection. I already had like a couple of scents I knew I wanted to do, but I wanted to double check and see if there was any more. And I got a couple more and I was really excited. So let's go ahead and get into them. Okay, so first up we have banana cream pie, which I'm really excited about. We've only ever done one other banana scent in the past, which was banana nut bread. So I wanted to try a different scent. I know banana is kind of a more controversial scent for a lot of people. Sometimes people really hate it, sometimes people really like it. Sometimes it leans a little bit more artificial. This one in particular does, to me, smell like Laffy Taffy. So if you don't like the banana Laffy Taffy scent, you might not like this one. However, I still think it smells really, really good, especially on warm. Absolutely delicious. So this has some really pretty gold glitters on top of a yellow wax with little banana sprinkles, which I think are really cute. The scent notes are ripe banana, vanilla extract, and pie crust. Oh, and when this one was melting, or when we were making this one and I was smelling all throughout the day throughout our kitchen, it just smelled so good to me. So that is banana cream pie. Next up we have coconut cream pie, which this one is so pretty. So we did a white wax. It has kind of like holographic brown glitters, which I know sounds kind of strange, but it's so pretty with these really cute little white flowers on top. I'm not too sure how well you'll be able to see those. However, I think coconut is such a soothing scent. So this is very coconut butter and creamy vanilla base. I think the creamy vanilla, the coconut, and the butter all mesh so well together to make kind of like a strangely relaxing pie scent. I don't know how to explain it, but this one is really good. Again, this is coconut cream pie. Next up we have key lime pie, which I'm really excited to do. This was one of the ones I knew that I wanted to do because it just, to me, like, yes, this is called fall pie stand, but I feel like this is such like a refreshing, good anytime melt. So the scent notes are lime, green lemon zest, and vanilla cream. It's a very bright, pretty green with some green glitters and little like lime sprinkles on top. Oh, this smells so good. I love this one so much. So again, this is key lime pie. This next one I feel like a lot of people are really going to like, especially if you liked Reagan's favorite, because lemon bakery is just chef's kiss. It's absolutely delicious. So this is lemon meringue pie. It is a beautiful yellow with some like lemon sprinkles. These scent notes are lemon custard, lemon zest, and vanilla meringue. Again, just another great lemon bakery scent. You're just gonna love it. It's amazing. This next one was one of the ones that was like recommended to me and I didn't even think about it, and it's pecan pie. This is southern pecans, pralines, and butter sauce. We did brown with some like what are these? These are like kind of coppery bronze glitters with brown Mickey heads, which I thought was kind of cute. They resembled the pecans a little bit, but this smells so much better than I expected. I don't know if I've ever truly smelled a pecan pie, pecan, but it just smells so good to me. I really like this one. So this is pecan pie. Next up you have your classic apple pie. This fragrance oil is different than the red scent we did for the 4th of July collection, which was hot apple pie. This one is more similar to if you've been around since last year's apple pie scent. It's a little bit calmer, not as like red hot cinnamon, but still a very good apple pie scent. The scent notes are apples, fresh baked crust, and cinnamon. It's got some red with green glitters and little apples on top. Oh, it smells so good. That smells just like a fresh apple pie to me. It smells just absolutely delicious. And last but not least, we have pumpkin pie, which is just a family favorite. Our entire family loves this one. The scent notes are pumpkin, nutmeg, cinnamon, and clove. It is orange with some gold glitters and these cute little like pumpkin pie inspired little sprinkles. This one just smells like pure fall to me. This smells so good. It smells like literally pumpkin pie filling. It smells just absolutely delicious. So I love this one. That is pumpkin pie. Right, so this is pretty much it for our fall pie release. Again, it will be released today, Friday, August 6th at 3 p.m. Central Time. I am super excited. These will all be a la carte, so you can pick and choose whichever ones you want, whatever sizes you want. Again, you just have to click on the listing and then do the drop-down menu to choose what size you want. But I'm really excited and I hope you guys enjoy. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Give our shop a favorite. Also, if you haven't already, just so you can keep up to date with everything. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.